in Dollar Tree right now, trying to get some things for the house because, you know, Dollar Tree has pretty good stuff for cheap. Ooh, storage cube. These are all pink. Cute.
You could get this to hang stuff. You could put this over your door and hang stuff.
Like jackets?
Yeah.
Or this looks like a towel. I don't even know. $5? What the? Since when were there things $5 here? You don't want any of these towels? You don't think it'll work well? Some of them are cute. Look at this blue and white set. Even though none of our bathrooms are going to be blue.
You need a welcome mat. This is $5.
That'll work.
Walmart will probably have a...
Really?
There's
Ooh.
a cactus one back there.
Wait, but they have these LED light strips. You know how mine usually don't cover the whole part of my room? Maybe I could get these. We'll see though. I'll see how mine cover up my walls first. And if I need more, I can always come here and get them for $5. I see a whole bunch of painting supplies here. Ooh, canvases. And a bunch of wood to paint. You know, I might paint something for the new house. Just for the fun of it. Would you guys like that? Like and comment down below.
Coordinate with our bathroom.
Yeah, we've been needing some toilet brushes. That's on our list. We have a whole list. I should have told you guys the list, but yeah, we need toilet brush cleaners. Not the tiny brush.
We got this one the last time.
That's a big dustpan. So I thought you were gonna get a mop. This is a mop head.
Just wait.
Hey, I'm just telling you because these were your ideas.
I'm looking for somewhere like keep Q-tips, cotton balls, makeup pads and stuff like that.
Yeah, we want like cute organizers for the bathrooms and also for our pantry. So I kind of wanted the like straight cylindrical ones, but these are cute too. It'll add something different. This would be good for like cotton balls, I think. Nice. Guys, we've hit a section where she just wants to get every doggone gadget we see. Show them how it works. This is like a lemon squeezer and zester. Show them how it opens.
It opens like this. You can zest. Or you put the lemon.
And you squeeze it right there. There's so many different things here. Like, what is this? What is this even for? To chop things? I have no clue. What the? But now she just wants to buy the whole store. It's time for us to leave Dollar Tree before we get everything. We did find this cool egg storage. It looks really nice. Bed Bath & Beyond. Oh my gosh, I almost fell. What the heck? Well, that's something. Let's see. I want to look for towels here. These mirrors and decor are so cute. We're looking for a circular mirror like this. Gold is good though, right? It'll match. We finally found some towels and I don't know which pink to go with. Either this lighter baby pink or this kind of more mature pink. Maybe this one. I kind of like this one. Which one? So this is option 1 and option 2. Comment down below which one you like more. Which one do you like?
That one looks more peachy.
This? So you like this one more?
Yeah.
This?
That one.
$6 and this one's 10. Not this one. This is nice, but I don't think this is what I'm going for. Look how low these seats are. You have to go so low to sit on them compared to the other chairs. But I guess it's just a decor piece.
Alright guys, I don't know what she's doing here.
I've been wanting a robe and they have some here, so why not? This is really comfy. This is a small. But the thing is, I am a small sometimes, but
look
I'm
at that.
tall, so...
The hands, they are not long enough. Try the medium.
Well, how did this get here? How did this even get down there?
Try the medium one and see. I kind of like these ones. Look at that. Have fun, smile more, worry less. I should definitely get this one.
Please. You need that. Please.
I should definitely get this one. Look at that. What are you saying?
You need to worry less.
Yeah. Yeah, you see the hands are longer on that
And
one.
this is longer in length too.
Okay.
Oh, I'm getting fuzz all over me.
If you wash it, usually it goes away.
But yeah, it's cute. I can't really shut it right now because it's in the back.
Just untie it so you could try it.
This is good enough, isn't it?
Alright, enough. Alright guys, so I'm getting this.
What is it called?
It's a model and a pencil.
Wait, I don't
You
think
know
that's
how
what
we
you say.
say it? In my country we say mata pencil. We use it to like grind rice, whatever. But we have huge ones.
Wait, do you grind coffee with it too?
You can, but it's mostly pepper to cook with. We have big ones though. These are like miniature compared to the ones we have. Big ones that are sturdy, and you have this big long stick.
Yeah, I remember my grandma used to have one at her house. Remember that?
If you're African, ask your parents who know what I'm talking about. So I'm getting this for my kitchen.
And it goes perfectly, wood and red together.
So we're getting this.
We're getting a whole bunch of stuff. You can see all my pink stuff that I'm getting here. And now we're getting some Tupperware for food, because we usually don't get that when we go shopping, and we just keep food in regular bowls. But we want to be more organized this time in our new house. So let's look for some nice Tupperware to keep our leftover food. Oh, they do. They have more egg cartons. These ones are more clear than the one we got.
How much
it does the same work. $3.99. Oh, they have these like the red ones we have. These are $4.99. Alright, so we finished our shopping. Look how full our cart is. I don't think we've ever bought this much stuff from Ross before, but hey, when you have a new house, you have to buy a whole bunch of new stuff for it. So right now we're deciding which things we know for sure we want to get and keep, and which things we should put back before we buy.
Look at this. I want to get this.
Oh gosh, so now we're adding more things.
You already have shelves. You just hang it up. Look at that.
It's cute, but this
They
is a
already
lot.
showed you how it goes back here.
We need to get out of here. We've been getting too much stuff. I don't even know when we got in, but it feels like hours. Oh, how about this flour thing container?
Yeah, we should get that for regular flour.
Tupperware, we need that.
Or maybe we should wait later for that one.
Alright, I think we're good then. The only thing we're thinking about not getting is this flour thing, because you can get it anywhere basically. And we're gonna wait and see if we really want it. And also, she was gonna get this really cute cosmetic organizer, but we're debating if we should get that or not. Okay,
Maybe
let's
I can get that later.
We gotta return this to where we got it from. Ooh! Oh my goodness. How many stores have we been to so far? 3?
3.
But it's already tiring because we've been there for a long time shopping for all the necessities we need. And we haven't even gotten to decor yet. Right now we're just getting necessities for the home. Eventually we'll do like a shopping vlog for decor, but that'll be later.
It's already too much for today. We still have to go to Walmart and look for some stuff like paper towel and tissue and stuff.
So, let me get you more in this camera because they can barely see.
That's okay.
So, we'll see, guys. It's just tiring. It's 4:34 p.m. right now. Kind of want to just go home and relax, but
but we have to keep trekking
with our drinks.
Anyways, mine is finished already. There's barely anything in there.
Well, we need to
start we'll catch you guys at Walmart.
Yep. There's a whole bunch of curtains over here, and we ordered some online, but now we're regretting it a little bit because the ones at the store are cheaper. Look, $11.97. I don't know anymore. Organization, because we have a pantry and it will be so cute if we get to organize it with all this stuff. I don't know what's going on with me, but out of nowhere I have a random spur of energy and I'm just dancing.
This is
period. Too very low.
$3.80 for this.
Okay, that's a good price. Sugar. No, we already have something for sugar.
Right, we already have containers for that. We cook a lot of rice, so we should get this.
For the rice? Oh yeah, that's key. That's good. Okay, let's figure out which one of these prices is for that big one. This is 2 gallon. 1 gallon is $8.97, so you're right.
Yeah.
I like these. This is really making me want to get candy and fill it up with that. It'd be so cute. Maybe it'll let her allow me to get more candy. Even though, guys, I'm 18, I could buy candy on my own. So what am I even talking about?
Candy?
Right. No, because sometimes I do ask candy, like, no. Parents always want to say no to candy. Then when we do get the candy, you guys are the main ones trying to snack on them.
You don't need no rotten teeth.
No, because when I do get candy, then you're like, oh, let me try some of that. Caught red-handed. Oh, this is perfect for your peanuts. You can make like a cute little mix.
No, that's way too big. No.
No, because you have like 5 different peanut or nut kind of things.
Walnut, peanuts, and almonds.
It's just too doggone much. Maybe you should get this one for it then.
Oh, look at have this a utensil holder. Oh, we already have a red one.
This one comes with multiple. It has 4 for $30. That's a little pricey, I'm not even gonna lie. But it's because they're cute. Wait a minute, the math is not mathing. If this one is 3 for $18.48, why is this 4 for $29.98? Why is this a whole $11 more? $11.50 more just for one more container? I guess it's the different brands. I'd rather get this one. Wait guys, I found the cheapest one. 4 canisters for $17.20. You get it all together.
Oh, look at that butterfly thing. It's cute.
You really want a napkin holder, huh? To go on the island? Because we saw one at Ross. It was like a fox and she really wanted it. Oh no.